let's talk about locksmith business and how we can take locksmith business to the next level with Hammer Chat. So let's start with this. What is Hammer Chat? Hammer Chat is a CRM system that works with any construction business. It helps to control your messaging, your online reviews. It adds a way how you can receive text messages from your website, something called web chat. So it's a CRM system that helps you to keep the track of all leads that you receive from different sources. Also, it gives some automation features like missed call text back, which means that when someone's calling you and you are either on the other line or you're just busy with your hands on the estimate measuring the project and you cannot pick up the phone, what happens is your caller, potential customer, receives a text message saying, "Hey, I missed your call, but you are very important. How can I help you?" And with that, you start the conversation. So instead of losing that client, you receive a text message from him saying, "Hey, I called because I need an estimate," and that's simple as that. So many other features like payments. You can send out a text message with a payment link. It takes literally less than 2 minutes to create a payment, send it to the client, and actually to receive it. It's super simple and very convenient. Let's say your virtual office assistant, okay? So let me introduce it to you. For example, your online reviews. Let's talk about it for a moment. Reviews are super important because it's your online business card. If your competitor has 150 reviews, 200 reviews, and all of them are positive, then you or your business that has only 20 reviews or less than that, you will fail because 100% that client will click on the 150, 200 star reviews business that will just steal from you. So it is very important to keep track of your reviews and to actually automate it so every single client that you do project for will leave you a review. Okay? And I know you struggle with it. I just know it because my background, I came from Ukraine about 10 years ago. And after school, I went to construction, flooring side of the business, and I worked as a area manager for two different locations, and we had problems with reviews. One of the locations had barely reviews, and we had to work our way out to actually start competing with other businesses because our online representation was not so good. So once we started building those reviews, that's when we started seeing more results in our phone calls and amount of leads that we receive via different streams. So trust me, reviews are crucially important, and Hammer Chat helps with that. Then, if we want to talk about communication, super important topic. Let's say you have your Facebook and your website and your Google, and people go into Google typing your business, and they want to call you or they want to message you. For you to keep track of every single lead or potential customer, you have to go to your Google, to your email to see what kind of leads you got. You have to go to your website platform to see what leads you got. If you are on the Facebook, as I said earlier, you go to Facebook to check if you got any leads. Same thing goes to Yelp, Angie's List. Imagine all of those platforms being in one place. So you have your communication box where you can add all of your website leads, you can add all your Google leads, all your Facebook leads. Whenever someone is sending you a Google question, someone requests an estimate from Facebook, You just go to one place on your app and you reply to every single lead just from one place instead of going to Facebook platform, to your website platform, and to other platforms. Super convenient, saves a lot of time. It helps you not to lose additional potential business, because if it takes you too long to go to the to all of the platforms and to check every single lead, guess what? You missed the project. So that's very, very convenient and super important. We have an option where you can get paid faster. So all it takes is 2 clicks to create new invoice. So once you finish the project, you can create an invoice, send it via text message. Your client goes to his phone, clicks 2 buttons, fills in his card information, and that's it. You got paid. Also, after you received your payment, you can automatically send that review request. He will be excited to leave you a review. So that ties up with reviews, and it's very powerful. It will definitely take your business to the next level. If you want to learn more about the app and how it works, simply click on the top of the page, watch demo, and you will be able to learn more on how the app works from inside. Okay? That's very simple, easy, with no obligations. Just watch the video and learn how this thing can help your business. I want to say thank you for your time, and I hope to talk to you. If you have a question, definitely send me a text message, call me, or watch that video. I'm sure it will answer most of the questions that you may have. Get advantage of this month's special. Instead of 7 days, get a 14-day free trial plus free marketing strategy for your business. So go ahead, watch the video, and then come back, click on the button to get this promotion.